Hi, my name is Nadine. I'm an executive coach and supervisor.
And I'm Benjamin Schoendorff, and I'm a clinical psychologist and a NACT trainer. Nadine and I met in 2014 in a NACT workshop I was giving, and she immediately started to integrate ACT into our coaching practice. And we've been giving workshops together for the past 3 years, I think, on integrating ACT into coaching. And now we're bringing this workshop in English.
Yeah, and it's super to support coaches to work with their clients to develop their emotional and behavioral agility so that they can make relevant choices for themselves, their teams, and their companies.
Yes, and what's really special about your approach, Nadine, is that you're really integrating ACT into your executive coaching practice that you already had. So it's very different from a workshop in which you would just do ACT in coaching. It's really the full integration, which means it's a workshop that's just as well suited for people who know ACT but want to integrate this more deeply into their coaching practice, but also for coaches who maybe don't know ACT or want to know more about ACT, so they have a new approach, a new perspective, and maybe even an integrative model to integrate into their coaching practice.
And one that is evidence-based, which is essential when we're talking about quality for the coaching practice. And it's important to say also for our participants that we will limit theory to the minimum to make sure that it is an experiential workshop where we can come with a curious mindset, open ourselves, exchange ideas, and benefit from each other's experience. And I think that what participants also like is that we come from different world. We come with different expertise, both of us. So you in ACT, me in coaching, and we have interesting exchanges also with our participants, and they have to enjoy that.
It's going to be extremely practical. ACT is an experiential approach, which invites us to apply those ACT processes to ourselves just as much as we train our clients in them. So you can look forward to an immersive learning experience and a fun one as well. So looking forward to seeing you there.
Yeah, so we'll see you on 25th of April, 3rd and 4th of May online. Looking forward to it.